Prestige Education Society, in its endeavor to develop highly skilled human resource, established the first Management Institute in Indore in 1994. The Management Institutes of Gwalior and Mandsaur were established in 1997. In 2001, with AICTE permission, the Institute of Mandsaur was shifted to Devas at its permanent site for better service, coverage and local penetration. Prestige Institute of Management and Research Devas is conceived as a value-based institution of management and information technology and training. The institute was launched with the solemn objective of spreading knowledge-based education and developing skilled manpower beyond the metros, catering to the educational and training needs of a large number of young boys and girls irrespective of caste, creed and nationality they belong to. Prestige Education Foundation, formerly known as Prestige Education Society, is running its academic institutions in 3 major cities of Madhya Pradesh, heartland of India. Prestige Education Foundation is running the prominent institutions PIMR-PG, PIMR-UG, PIEMR and Prestige Public School at Indore City, PIMR Gwalior and PIMR Devas, along with Prestige Public School Devas, under the stewardship of Founder Chairman of PEF Honorable Shri Nemnath Ji Jain, Padma Shri awardee. The Chairman and Chancellor of PEF, respected Dr. Devish Ji Jain, and his worthy younger brother, respected Shri Dipin Ji Jain, Vice Chairman PEF, Shri Himanshu Ji Jain, Director PEF, and Shri Ketan Ji Jain, Director PEF. PIMR Devas is advancing and instilling values into the stakeholders with vision to be leader in professional education, training, research and development, and mission to serve the society through management seminaries in making the country stronger in every aspect of life. The institute has the approval of the All India Council for Technical Education and the state government for its MBA program, and is affiliated with Vikram University Ujjain for MBA, BBA and BCA, BCom, Computer Application, BCom, Honors. It is a fully recognized management and IT institution. PIMR Devas is a recognized research center for management discipline. The first PhD course work successfully conducted in the year 2023. The PIMR is having intellectual strength of 20 full-time regular faculty, 6 visiting faculty, 4 faculties having PhD degree, 5 faculties are pursuing PhD from different universities. PIMR Devas is extending its extension services to the corporate world like Management Development Program, Executive Development Program and trainings to the employees for soft skills and communication-related issues. The senior faculty of PIMR Devas is an executive body of international and national universities, as in Board of Studies, PhD Thesis Evaluation Board, and in Committee of Editorial Board of reputed journals. The faculties of PIMR Devas were also invited as keynote speakers, guest speakers, resource persons for FDPs, trainers and practicing consultancies for different academic and social organizations. Devas Library is fully equipped with physical and digital repository for knowledge sharing and acquisition. The online database like EBSCO, JGate, DAILNet, InflibNet, CMI database, and software for plagiarism testing Turnitin is available for students, faculties, and researchers. PIMR Devas Library is having national and international journals, magazines, monographs, books, newspapers, and rare books. PIMR Devas Computer Lab is well equipped with application software Microsoft Windows 10, Microsoft Office, Oracle Java, Visual Studio, IDE like Eclipse, IntelliJ, TextPad, Notepad, PyCharm, WebEx and Zoom. PIMR Devas has been an examination center for prominent examinations for different bodies like ICAI, for CA and CS examination, CUET, JEE and NEET. 21 days Faculty Development Program Gyanubhav, weekly faculty knowledge advancement workshops, presentation, symposium, industry institute interface, discussion with different boards has been conducted for years. PIMR Devas is having MOU and associations with global institutions, national institutions, governmental bodies and NGO. PIMR Devas is having active association with All India Management Association, New Delhi. Association of Indian Management Schools, Sikandarabad. Association of Management Development in South Asia, Hyderabad. The institute is certified ISO 9001 to 2015. The institute is certified training center for ITI, Devas. Indore Management Association, Indore. Member of Association of Industries, Devas. MOU with Center for Entrepreneurship Development, Madhya Pradesh. MOU with Research Foundation of India. PIMR Devas has been consistently ranked amongst top B school in a survey done by the top magazines and newspaper. RBBA course ranked 29th Outlook in 2022, 2021, 40th India Today in 2022, 28th India Today in 2020, RBCA course 46th India Today in 2022 and 45th India Today in 2021. RMBA course ranked 8th Central Zone Wise Outlook, 24th amongst affiliated colleges Outlook, 44th Education World, 30th Zone Wise Open Magazine, 34th Private College The Week, 41 at B School West Zone Wise The Week, and in Madhya Pradesh consistently amongst top 5 B school. Recognized in the band performance under the category General in Atal ranking of institution on innovation and achievement in 2021. PIMR Devas is also working as a host institute for MSME. PIMR Devas students participated and won in the Global Peace and Sustainable Summit 2022 powered by UNESCO amongst 70 countries as the best speakers. PIMR Devas is the only center for the Youth Employment Program of TCS, which is free employability training for socially and economically marginalized undergraduate youth program during their graduation. PIMR Devas is an active member of Institute Innovation Council Delhi with 3.5-star rating in the year 2022. We are committed for overall development of our students through different clubs constituted at our institute like Marketing Club, Finance Club, HR Club, IT Club, Eco and Energy Club, Readers Club, Health and Fitness Club, PIMR Rotary Club and Sports Club. These clubs keep organizing various events for students' knowledge updating, improvement, and exposures to the real business world. Events like AdMad Show, brand quizzes, mock stock exchange, entrepreneurial fest, seminars, panel discussion, industrial visits, extramural lectures, case study, and business research. Besides this, PIMR Devas organizes annual Management Fest Utsav full of enthusiasm, knowledge, fun and frolic, music and entertainment. PIMR Devas also organizes creativity workshops, case study analysis workshop, business plan workshop and national contest, National Summer Internship Project Contest. The yoga and fitness activity is being organized by Fitness Club. PIMR Devas NSS unit organizes blood donation camp, charity programs like fundraising for blind schools, adoption of villages, promoting literacy, adult education, and cleanliness drive at Devas City. Woman is the backbone of family life. Here at PIMR, the Women Empowerment Cell is running various activities for women awareness and their overall development. The sports club organizes indoor and outdoor games for all students like chess, cricket, badminton, volleyball, football, etc. Some of the students won the laurel for PIMR Devas at university, state and national level. PIMR Training and Placement Cell organizes GDPI and developmental programs for students like Communication Development Workshop, Aptitude Test, and Grooming Session, language skill workshops from renowned internationally acclaimed trainer who got exposure of 11 countries. PIMR Training and Placement Cell also organizes alumni meet in which students from different batches since 2001 have been participating, and PIMR Training and Placement Cell has been consistently providing more than 100 brands and organizations a platform for recruitment of business brains at our campus. Recently, some of our students also received an offer ranging from 8 lakhs per annum to 13 lakhs per annum, an industrial excursion in the renowned companies such as Tata International Private Limited, Prism Johnson, Prestige Agrotech, Saatchi Industries, Kirloskar, Gabriel, and many more. PIMR Devas aspires to be the autonomous institution with highest grades amongst top B schools of Central India. Prestige Education Foundation and Prestige Institute of Management and Research Devas welcome you all.